going on, you guys? It's your man, 2 Down Dan, back with another video. We got the homie right here on the ZX6. Let's go. I actually just pulled out of the beach. I pulled out of the beach, and this kid was right here. Let's keep up with the ZX6, boys. How to corner? You can murder, baby! Oh, he went the other way. But yo, on that corner, like, so he got off to a hot start. That's 100% facts. But as you saw when he hit that corner, he had a little too much speed and he wasn't ready to lean fully. So I was able to catch up to him, which was sick. And then he had to make his turn. But low key, we hit him in the corner. We hit him in the corner and we were able to keep up with a ZX6. That was a brand new one too, the 2024. But yo, welcome to another 2 Down Dan video. It's kind of a little bit past sunset, so I hope the view and everything is still cool without the sun shining crazy. But yo, I just went to the dealership like 2 days ago and I got my chain tightened up. So this is technically the first time I've gotten it tightened after I put on the aluminum sprocket and the MotoGP chain that I put on there. And so I'm gonna have to keep doing that every 500 miles because it gets loose really fast with the heavy duty MotoGP style chain and the aluminum sprocket. So like I said, I changed out all the OEM. I'm trying to change out as much OEM as possible on this bike to make it the most unique Ninja 500 in the world. So changing all that stuff was a key feature, and we're gonna go past this red guy, as well as the new TST Industries integrated tail light that we have. That's a key feature. That's probably the best and the thing that makes my bike the most unique. But yeah guys, honestly, I do not really have a topic that I want to sit and talk about today, like Ninja 500 versus this bike, or why I love the Ninja 500 and stuff. I'm honestly just kind of casually riding around right now. And here, let's hit it. Let's hit a little top speed run for you. I'm just kind of chilling today. It's my day off, so I'm having some fun. Come on. Where's 120? Road sketchy, but we're gonna go. Hell yeah. Right here on the right. We're good, right? Go back left. Oh yeah, we're cruising, baby. I hope this view's good right now. One hand, cruising at a $1.15. The Ninja 500 is stable, bro. So full throttle, no hand. Tuck in. So this new chain has got me, the new chain drop has really got me flying, man. It feels great. But the more I run this thing fast and heavy like this, the more I gotta be on top of my oil changes, my chain adjustments, moving the chain, everything like that. So I like to run it fast, I like to run it hard when I'm on the highway and I can. That little yo, it's bumpy right here, man. You can hear my voice. Holy F, we'll get a little pave on here. This is great because it's already 7:05, that's why, dude. All the traffic is gone, everybody's home for the day. And I'm gonna get out the next couple of days, don't you worry, and put out some topics. Put in the comments right now, actually, since this is gonna come out. And then this is probably gonna come out on like Friday or something. And then I'll have my weekend. So put in the comments. Oh my God, is there a fire up there on the highway? Yo, there's a fire for sure right up here. Someone's car is like exploding right now. That's crazy. You see all that smoke? Look, look, look on the back side up there. Oh, yo, someone's car. That truck is exploding right now. I don't know if you can see that, guys. That truck was fucking inflamed, dude. Whoa. All right, let's do a top speed. Hit it, hit it, hit it. This is full pin, by the way. Good full pin, baby. And then we just tune it right back down, and then I can come back into my pocket and talk to you guys. So, a lot of you guys, let's mention the levers real quick and my talking setup. So, levers, I am now an affiliate with this company, 6061. So, use my code 2DownDan at checkout, and you guys are going to save 7% on your checkout. And it's not just for their levers. Anything that is 6061 brand on their website, you can get with code 2DownDan, save you 7% off. So I'm trying to hook you guys up with all of my mods. I'm not trying to hide anything. So check my links and everything. They're right there. And go get yourself hooked up. Secondly, my Instagram has all my links for my Amazon storefront. I'm also an Amazon affiliate. So if you go to my Instagram, you can find those links, which is where I have my DJI Osmo Action 4, which is what I'm filming on right now. It gets amazing picture quality. You don't have to edit anything. I literally take these raw footage, you guys, and import it directly into YouTube, and I don't do any editing, any compressing, nothing. I just take the video, and that is that. So it could not be any simpler. And with the camera, I also have the DJI mini mic, and you just throw the mini mic inside your helmet anywhere, whether that be with the magnet that it comes with or with the clip, because it's like a little small mic, like this big. It's like this big. It's literally tiny. I hope I'm putting that in an area that you can see. And I just throw it right on the inside of my helmet. So that way, whenever I turn my camera on, I literally just turn my camera on with the touch of a button, and boom, it goes doo-doo-doo, and it all links up, and it lets me know that it's good to go. And I can record anything, guys. I can put my camera right here and face it towards myself and say, what up, what up, what up. I could literally just, there's so many options. It has a magnetic clip, and it's absolutely amazing. Excuse me. But I'm just gonna keep this video going for a little bit longer because there's nobody around and I'm on the highway. So here, let's tune it back up a little bit, because you guys deserve something good to watch, not just me yapping the whole time. And since I don't really have a topic to talk about, let's just show you how much fun the Ninja 500 is. Look, I got away from all those cars. Now I have the open freeway. Look at my shadow, baby. Look at that. It's a man who absolutely loves life, loves his 500, and I knew, to be completely honest, I knew I was going to be this happy with it even before I bought it, because I've been trying to get on a Ninja 400 for the last like 3 years, and I'm so glad that God and everything had a plan for me, that I was never supposed to be on a Ninja 400, and I was supposed to be the guy in the world pretty much who showcases this 500 for everything that it has to offer, because even an experienced rider who has been riding for a long time might want to come back down from the power and really be able to ring out something like this Ninja 500, where you can push 5th, 6th gear every single day, not even just on the highway, but you can push those gears on the back roads, and it's really, really enjoyable. I just hope you see in general how much fun I have every day in every vlog. But I literally am just so blessed that I'm able to do this. And I want to give you guys a huge shout out right now, because I can't do this without you. Say what's up in the comments, say something, say timestamp, whatever it is right now. Be like, yo, I'm still watching, I've been around for a while and I have a bike or I don't have a bike. You know, tell me your situation. I love reading and talking to you guys. but we just hit 2,000 subs, yo. Like, I started this channel on a whim and a prayer with me and Ryan just riding around one day, and that was the first video. I was like, yo, I told him on the day, I was like, I think I'm just gonna upload these like raw videos and see if people like them. And to be honest, the first couple didn't hit, but once I realized, hey, the video is not about me. You guys are watching, yes, because you like me or whatever, but I have to be giving you something that's valuable in order for you to continue watching and stay watching, or else it's kind of just boring and it's just a dude who's just riding a bike or whatever, you know. Anybody can kind of do that, but I need to be, in my opinion, producing something that is valuable and can stand the test of time. So I've been having so much fun with the Versus series and the just kind of everything about the Ninja 500, why I like it, talking about why it's a good daily rider bike, because that is the main, like I said, it's the main thing I do with it. Is I don't only just ride for pleasure. I really only ride for pleasure barely. I barely. I am most of the time commuting, and I really like it that way, because that's what I needed the bike for. I needed the bike to get in and out of traffic and to get me to work quickly. Why is my, sorry, I gotta fix my clutch or something. It just doesn't feel right. Like I'm releasing it, and I just feel like I'm not getting that friction zone properly, and then I'm having to apply too much throttle or something. But yo, it's weird. Honestly, I'm gonna hook a left. I think I am gonna get some more candy and some snacks from Dollar Tree right now, even though I got I have a whole bunch of candy at home, but there's some different snacks that the Dollar Tree has that I want to go get hooked up with right now. But I'm back in my hometown of the Mesa, baby. We got the beautiful sun setting right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another 2 Down Dan video. Please smash that subscribe button and go watch another video and keep your day rocking. Later, guys.